Oh, much better. Hey Credos! Spoiler alert. I did a review of this Restor-A-Finish and it was a good one. I'm going to share footage of my live reaction and a little follow-up, but I will tell you, I love this product. Not only have I purchased more of the cherry for our built-ins, but I've ordered a darker finish for our other freestanding furniture, which is mostly a walnut or darker color. So I'm definitely sold, but you've got to see the results because they are amazing. We built this house in 2010 and we put natural cherry in most of the rooms. So you can see that there's some wear and tear. So I'm gonna try this Restore right here to demonstrate. First, I'm just gonna clean it. You see how so you can see when it gets wet, instead of being white, it's like this, but you can see that it's got some damage. Let's see how the Restore does. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I'll put a little of this on a dry part of my cloth. This is the cherry color. Let's see how it does. I know my camera works pretty crappy, so I apologize, but this may be so damaged right here that it's gonna look splotchy like that no matter what I do. But we will see. Now here's another area. I'm gonna clean it off. That just has some wear and tear. Get a little product on my cloth and rub it in. We'll probably need some kind of tool to get right into that crevice. We'll see how that looks. I just used an old toothbrush to clean out these corners and lay down some of the solution. And already this looks so much better. I like it so much, I'm gonna try a really damaged place in the kitchen. So you can see the damage on, this is right under our sink, this top edge. Water has dripped. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit, make sure there's no residue. And we're good. All right, I'm down the floor trying to do this one-handed again and with a lot of glaring sun. But here we go. See how it does. Go over any spots that have scratches. This might need more than one coat of Restore because it's quite damaged, but let's see how we do. Using my toothbrush again to lay in some of the solution in the corners. All right. Okay. See how that looks in just a bit. While we're here, just throw some down here. I'm just about out. We won't do the top edge, but we'll just try to do a little bit here. The sun went down, but there's a party going on downstairs. So here's the untreated side, and here's the treated side. There's the difference. I'm actually quite impressed. I might do this a little bit more. It shows up much lighter on camera than it is in real life, but I might give that another coat, but certainly it has helped. Hey y'all, I finished this review a week or so ago, but I have to give you an update before I edit. We have kind of a modern craftsman style home, and we have lots of built-in furniture. All of the built-ins are in cherry wood, which is a little bit more of an unusual selection these days. As you can guess, our kitchen has the most wear and tear over the 15 years we've lived in this home. And it was kind of worn enough that I was feeling like we might need to refinish it or do something. I didn't want to paint it because whether it's in style or not, I love the cherry, but it wasn't looking great. After I filmed the video and did the little test, I actually had my son do the entire kitchen. And I have a big kitchen. It took about this much of the product. We're down to about here now. And he did the entire kitchen. Now, first he cleaned all the cabinets really well, floor to ceiling. And then he went over every inch with the product. And I can tell you, it's beautiful, no hyperbole. I'm actually surprised. Even the toe kicks and the bottom edges of the cabinets that were kind of rough look new. They look new. It's beautiful. So I actually, just this morning, added this to my subscribe and save. I did that because now we're gonna move through the entire house and use it in every single room that has built-in furniture. So just wanted to give you a very pleased customer update. This is great stuff. Looks great. If you have wood anywhere in your house at all, get some in the right color of your finish. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and you can join us in the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with very beautiful restored furniture. Now go out and have a nicely finished day.